Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another tutorial, another video, and as you can see, today's more of like a fall inspired look, and it would be perfect for Thanksgiving. The colors are just like Thanksgiving, so I hope you guys enjoy this video and I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. And before you do that, make sure you hit the subscribe button, like this video, and comment down below if you guys like this, if you guys like these kind of videos, like tutorials, or if you want to see a little more fun videos. Just let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I upload. And yeah, let's get into the video, guys. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and prime our lids with this. And as you can see, I still have tape on here because I'm not done. And we will prime our lids. Prime our lids, and then we are going to use Scotch tape. I have my dispenser right here. And then we're just going to put our tape right there. And then we're going to go into our palette, and we're going to go into this shade right here. Shade Rush with this brush. Alright, and then we're going to continue on to more of this orange shade. And then we're going to go into this shade, and then we will deepen up the crease with this shade. So now we're going to go ahead and cut the crease like we did on this side. And then we're going to use our concealer like I always do. And we are going to use the E35 from Morphe like I always do. And yeah. We're going to go into the androgyny palette, and we're going to go into this shade right here, Charm, and just pat it in there, and then we will go back and blend all of that with the rest of the colors that I used on this side. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with the liner once we're done. We finished blending and everything, and I will put on my lashes, and I will finish the rest of my face off camera, and I'll be back to finish. All right guys, as you can see, I finished this look, and I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned something today with this look. I put on a really bold red lip, and it is from Gerard Cosmetics. It is shade Immortal. So if you guys want to save some coin on these, the lip liners and the lipsticks, you guys can use code CHATWITHLU for 30% off. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a happy weekend, and I'll see you all Monday. Thank you so much for your support, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I upload, which is 3 times a week. And thank you so much for your support, and I love you all.